Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to organize my task on Asana. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your Chrome, Safari, or any web browser that you want, and then proceed to app.asana.com, and then simply sign in with your account. Once you have signed in, go to My Tasks found on the leftmost part, which is the second option. And then right here, you may see the list of your tasks right here. So there are three sections, which are New Task, Due Today, and Due Later. You may also add a section if you want to. So to organize them, you may rearrange them accordingly to the sorting that you want. So you may drag this one. You just simply click and hold on this part right here and drag them. And then you may also check and uncheck them if you are done already. And let's say, for example, you want to hide this one. As of the moment, you may click on the arrow button right here or the drop down button. So click on it. As you can see, your task now has been neatly and presentable. And also, you may click on sort right here. You may sort them according to the due date, likes, alphabetically, project, and creation time. You may also customize it by clicking on this one, as well as you may see the complete task right here. And then you may also see the incomplete task, and you may also see all tasks right here. If you want to add task, you just simply click this one and write the name of that task, and then the due date, and then the project. You may also add a section and a milestone right here. So that's it. That's how you may organize your task on Asana. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.